Alright, so me, myself, and I, and my mom are taking some of my cousins to Disneyland for the first time ever. So, you know, step one, we gotta go get them. And they're like an hour and a half away. And we, right now, are about like 7 hours away from Disneyland. But we're going, we're spending the night, and then up in the morning, first time at Disneyland. Rule number one, do not tell them where they're going. I don't like surprises. But you know, I'm like, I want to dress for the occasion. Like right now, wearing my Haunted Mansion shirt for the drive. I'll be wearing a different shirt tomorrow. But like, I don't know. I don't like surprises. But if they're like, who doesn't want to be surprised to go to Disneyland? There's videos of it. It's like awesome. So step one, pick up your so-called first timers. And yes, my Christmas tree is still up. Yes, it is January. That's it. Step one is all complete. And here they are. We're all loaded up. Yay! And got my mom also.
It's a present. You have to wear them today. Wonder what they're for.
Me too.
I wonder where you're going.
Where you think you're going?
Oh, but wait.
Oh, they're for me? Oh, look it, we're gonna match. Oh,
But wait.
oh my God.
I got one for Katrina.
Oh, and you? Of course. Oh,
Oh, heck yeah.
We are officially inside the park. We're inside the park. How do you guys feel? Excited? Good? Mom, we're inside the park. How do you feel?
Oh my God, I am so ready to do this. We're gonna get a locker and then we'll do it.
Auntie Norma, we're inside the park. How do you feel?
I'm excited. I can't
Yeah.
wait to see the babies enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So if you are bringing little ones, and you get lost, you tell them to go right over there to the town
Ladies and
hall.
gentlemen, boys and girls, good morning and welcome to Disneyland, the place where the dreams come true. And whether this is your first visit or your 100, we hope you'll find the joy of being young at heart here with us.
First ride.
What is that for?
Autopia.
First ride.
Yay! And it just opened. Yeah! So if you've never been to Autopia, the pedal to push down is actually kind of hard. So if you like go with an older adult for young ones, because when I was that age, I was like way too weak. Like I cannot push that pedal down. So I suggest, you know, going with an adult, and like they can totally steer, but you have to, as an adult, have to push that pedal down, because whoa, it's a workout. Like it's like a clutch or something. Like oh.
Wait, there's an actual submarine where you go underwater?
Yeah.
We should go on that later.
Okay. First ride done. How was it? Did you like it?
Yeah, I'm the best driver ever.
Yeah.
Telling you.
How was your first ride at Disneyland? Yeah. So second ride is Space Mountain, and they have never been on a roller coaster. They, in my opinion, have started off with the best roller coaster ever at Disneyland. Yay! Alright, second ride done. They said it would, you know, for a first time roller coaster, they did great. We asked for the front and they said it was fun but scary. First roller coaster, Disneyland. Alright, I'm not gonna say every single ride they do today because we are trying to hit all the rides. So I will let you know how they do and how we do as guys to make sure, or try to make sure, that they get the best experiences possible. He's loud! Third ride, After Blaster, after that crazy roller coaster, we're gonna take it down a notch and fight the evil Zurg.
Constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient...
I am sitting in the new Tropical Hideaway, and here's my first timers. Oh, and I didn't introduce them, so now we have Chloe, and Lainey. Yay! So I picked one of the worst days to come. The worst day to come. It has been non-stop raining. You know, in and out. We bought ponchos over here. I brought my umbrella, because my Disney umbrella, because you know, like it said 50% chance of raining. 50% chance of rain, and yeah, this was 1,000% chance of rain. So, oops, but oh well. Oh well, first time you get the full experience, the suffering. We are making such good time, just checking in. It is 1 o'clock right now. Tomorrowland completely done. We even did the, what's the Star Wars thing?
What?
The Star Wars, what is it called?
The launch bay?
We even did the launch bay. Like we literally did everything in Tomorrowland. Frontierland, done. There's only like one ride, you know. And then Critter Country, done. We're not gonna do Splash Mountain though, and I'm kind of sad, but I'm soaked. My feet are still wet. Oh, and it cleared up. No more rain. Thank goodness. Like, ooh, it was getting old. So, put my umbrella away. I'm still a little cold, but like literally perfect weather. And then, what else? Oh, Adventureland, almost done. We just have to do Indiana Jones, but we did the Jungle Cruise. And now we are on to tackle Fantasyland. So I said we're doing pretty good for our time as guiding our first timers. And let's go check what, you know, what their thoughts are, what they're feeling, how their first time in Disneyland is going. Ah, she's dying. And then, how are you doing? How's your day? Good?
Pretty fun and exciting.
Yeah? Favorite ride so far?
The railroad.
Big Thunder Railroad?
Yes, Big Thunder Railroad.
Yeah? Yep, go straight. And checking in over here. Doing good?
Yep.
How's your day?
Good.
And favorite ride so far?
That
Same one. It is like the fastest one. And then you guys also like the Matterhorn, right?
Yes, the Matterhorn.
Second favorite?
Yes.
Both of you? Yeah? Yay! Alright, we are at the Red Rose Tavern, and honestly I love this place so much. It's always like super good. And today I got the lavender milk tea. It's like a specialty being featured. But, so my food, it looks beautiful. I got, you know, the Angus burger, but it was sitting there for a really long time. My other family of 4 ordered, you know, before me. I mean, no, after me. Oh my gosh. So my other family of 4 ordered after me, and my burger was still sitting there. They all got their food, and my burger was still sitting there, and I was just waiting for my tea, and I'm like, and you know, they got their food, they left, they literally sat down, and I finally got my tea. Burger, cold, tea. I mean, let's taste it, but it looks cute. Was it worth the wait? Let's see. Was this drink worth the cold burger? Mom, was this drink worth it?
No.
Anytime I go to a tea house or anything, I get jasmine milk green tea. I was thinking the lavender milk tea would be similar because it's lavender and jasmine flowers. But no, lavenders, it's not happening. They should have had some jasmine. I know, actually the purple, you know, is for, because it's like the new year, this is the color of 2019, and ooh, look at my jacket. I was feeling 2019. So no, it was not worth it, but it was good. Like, she thought it was good.
I liked it.
Our first timers, they hated it. Absolutely hated it. But I thought it was okay. Like, it was okay to me. She thought it was good, but not worth the cold burger. So, next time. whoa, first of all, this lighting is terrible. But her first visit, so it went great, you know, up until rain. And then we get on Star Tours. She literally holds up her ears and it was like, should I put these underneath the seat? And I was like, oh yeah, totally, because they'll definitely fall off. And then, you know, we get off the ride, we look under the seat, ears aren't there. They must have fallen somewhere, and then someone actually stole them. Like someone, because we had them on the ride, someone literally picked them up, stole them, and now she does not have ears for the first visit. So we asked, like, you know, if they have any, and this lovely coworker, her name is Nancy, she was working in like the Star Tours area when we asked. She is awesome. I have never seen this in my life, but she gave us a ticket for like ears to replace them because someone seriously stole her ears. How sad. Like, who does that? Steals ears. So this is a magic ticket and I have never seen this before, and Nancy is probably the best cast member. So shout out to her. Best cast member ever. Yay, are you good? What ears are you getting? You don't know yet? No. No, but we're gonna get ears. And she lost rose gold, so if you were the one who stole them and you're watching this, you're terrible. Why would you do that? Sad. At Disneyland, that is so sad. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And we have this. It is the end of the night. We're all tired. Mostly me. What was your favorite ride? Favorite park and favorite part of the day?
My favorite ride was the roller coaster one. My favorite park was
The roller coaster.
And which roller coaster?
The Thunder?
yeah,
Cinema.
that one. Yeah, and Adventure Land.
What's your favorite land?
Adventure.
Awesome, awesome.
My favorite land was Adventureland too. My favorite ride was the
Matterhorn?
Matterhorn.
Awesome. Yeah, the big mountain. And overall, what do you rate Disneyland?
Good, right?
Yeah. Like 10 Mickeys. 1 Mickey to 10 Mickeys.
10 Mickeys? How many Mickeys?
Well, 9.5 because someone stole my ears.
But
Sad.
that
Oh, yeah.
wasn't Disneyland's fault.
10.5.
But Disneyland
10.5.
stuff. Yeah, they
No,
made it
I
right
meant
for you.
10.
No, I'd say 10.5. Yeah.
Because they got you some Mickey ears.
Oh, hi there.
And we're back.
So, my favorite land is Tomorrowland, and my favorite ride, I'm gonna say, is Autopia, because that's when people tell me stories and try and tell me what good drivers they are and that they haven't been drinking.
The best driver ever.
Okay.
In the park.
My favorite land is Fantasyland because it has the most magic happening. The castles in Fantasyland. Just, yeah, Fantasyland. And then my favorite ride would probably be in Disneyland specifically. I don't know, probably Space Mountain. That's a fan favorite. So it is the end of the day. And we honestly did a lot. We did all of Tomorrowland, everything in Tomorrowland, everything in Frontierland, which is basically just Thunder Canyon. We did not do Pirates because it was down, but we did do Jungle Cruise and Indiana Jones. We did Critter Country, but not Splash Mountain because it was raining all day. We did Toontown. We did Minnie and Mickey's house and Roger Rabbit. We did Fantasyland. We didn't do the castle or Peter Pan because that's a really long ride, and we didn't do Mr. Toad's Wild Ride either. But I think we got a lot done for one day, like, and it wasn't that crowded because it was super rainy. My feet have been soaked for about 12 hours. That's terrible. But yeah, so I think we did a really good job at being guides to these first timers, and fast passes are key because literally I got fast pass after fast pass after fast pass, and boom, straight to the front of the line. Like, it's super good. I hope they had fun. I hope you had fun, and that's basically it. Bye.